Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Toyota Entune, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2019 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.